Hey guys, how's it going? Nathan here, World Masters. Well, I got a super special cleanup challenge. I get the Lidar R1 with the self-emptying bin for $260 versus, yes, check it out guys, my favorite candy nose. This is 5 pounds worth, ordered from Amazon, so we'll see if this bad boy can pick it up. First we gotta do is get rid of this thing, toss it over there, dump out the nose, let's do that. Craziness, look at that, nose everywhere. Alright, let's get started.
Area cleanup is starting. Returning to the dock to chart. Charging.
Well, if you like this type of video, give me a big old thumbs up. Really does help out the video and my channel, and lets me know if this video is popular and if you guys want to see more of these crazy cleaning challenges. I know it's not realistic, but I want to see how well the Lidar R1 does and if the self-emptying bin's any good. Okay, so you can see that there's some accumulation of dirt and debris. This is something I found on a lot of these batteries that have self-emptying bin, like the T8, the Roombas, i7, i6, S9. So one nice thing about the R1 is there's no plastic plate, so once there's accumulation of dirt and debris, it doesn't interfere with the robot's ability to dock. This robot can dock up with a lot of dirt and debris around it because the extractor port is up a little higher, so the dirt and debris that accumulate around it isn't going to get affected by it. Okay, let's check out the robot's dustbin.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
Okay, as you can see, there is some accumulation of dirt and debris. It's not going to extract all the dirt and debris, it does leave some of it, but over time it will be able to get all of this out of here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the dust bag. Oh, this is actually getting quite heavy there. And see how much dirt and debris is in here. Alright, so I basically filled up this container. I'm going to have to get another one, and we'll continue on with the cleaning challenge. Well, what do you guys think about the Lidar R1 so far? Is it doing a good job? Give him a big old thumbs up. He is working very hard. I'm just sitting behind the camera, not really doing anything. Well, what do you guys think so far? Not too bad. Still a lot of dirt and debris around, and I can feel the dust that comes off the sugar. Well, luckily the Lidar R1 does have a electronically controlled mopping system, and it can vacuum as well. So let's go ahead and clean up this area with the mop and see if we can pick up the rest of this scattered dirt and debris.
Entering mopping mode.
Well, if you browse through my videos, you may notice I cover a lot of different vacuums from different manufacturers, from Ecovacs, iLife, iRobot, Roborock, to some lesser known ones like Nebot, Kaivo, and the Lidar R1. Now, the reason why I try to cover a lot of vacuum manufacturers is it gives me a good idea of the market, allows me to evaluate each vacuum and how they price point their models, also helps me evaluate to a consumer standpoint what to look for and what features to expect. Alright, let's go and wrap up this video. Whoa, what do you guys think of this crazy cleaning challenge? Wasn't that crazy? I know, it was so unrealistic, but I had so much fun doing it. Okay, so the Lidar R1 did a really good job. I felt like it was able to extract all this crazy debris. I got another bucket here because I'm pretty sure the bag is full as well. We'll see how much rest of the debris it picked up. Also, this guy has an electronically controlled mopping system, a self-emptying bin, line navigation, all the crazy mapping features you expect for $260. I can't believe it. I don't know how Lidar did it for such a crazy price, and it's a good vacuum. It wasn't just something they just put out there just because. Okay, so if you liked the video, give me a big old thumbs up. It really does help out the video. I really hope this video does well because I really do enjoy these crazy cleaning challenges. And let's check and see how well the Lidar R1 did. We'll check the bag here. Whoa, this bag is pretty heavy. Look at that, guys. Let's just fill this bucket up here. Wow, look at that. Well, did you remember my last video where I did the same thing with the Roombas? Well, the Roomba itself was like $700 and the S9 I believe was like $1,000. So yeah, very expensive robots where half the price you can get this and basically have the same cleaning performance. But keep in mind, no dirt detection sensor and no Dustbin full sensor on this guy. Okay, let's go and check out the mopping system.
Exiting mopping mode.
Well, what do you guys think? Yes, I can see some dirt and debris right here. So, I think I give this an A+ for the Lidar R1. Okay, buddy.
Returning to Gap 2. Charge has been paused.
This guy really wants to just go out and clean. Okay, so yes, I think the Lidar R1 is a really good vacuum. Highly recommend it, especially for the price. Now, for parts and availability, hopefully the company will stick around. And right now, it's only on Amazon. Maybe down the road, they'll actually have a website or something. But I think this is a good vacuum. All right. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and I might do some more crazy cleaning challenges in the future. Alright, see you later.